polar bears? Polar bears live where it is cold. Polar bears learn than what does this say?
Than, but go back to this word.
Than
What's this say?
bears learn.
No. What's the first letter?
Learn.
What's
Lar.
A-R?
Lar.
Large.
Large.
And then what's the last part?
Larger bears
Larger.
than most bears.
Good.
Other bears are not What does this say, Mama?
Sound it out.
Equal in sizes to polar bears.
Okay.
Polar bears have a big appetite.
Good.
They eat a lot. They hunt for fish and bigger animals.
Like what?
Like seals. Like that seal. They get hungrier and thirstier
Good.
when it is cold.